What's going on, everybody? It is now 6 p.m. and is Monday, January 30th. So I'm night before New Year's. Might be a little slow, but we'll see. I'm excited because I am going to show you how I save on gas. If you take a look there, I'm at a quarter tank, actually just below it. So once I get done tonight and wrap things up, I'm going to show you a trick on how to save gas when either delivering or just in general. This is not something that you need to deliver for. I'll let you know when I get my first order. Alright, it's 6:24 and I just got my first offer, so a little slow, but that's okay. I didn't have a shift scheduled, so it's supposed to be slow. I'm headed to Applebee's. Gonna go ahead and click that navigate option. I mean, I know where it is, but I still pull it up anyways. I don't know, I guess it's just habit at this point.
All set, let's go.
Now. And I'm gonna start my drive, and I'm ready. So it's 6:55 and I just got to Baskin-Robbins. I have a PostMates order. As soon as I dropped off that last order through GrubHub, I switched over to, I turned that back on. I turned PostMates on, and right away I got this offer. So I've never gone to Baskin-Robbins, but like for delivery, looks like I have to, it says place order at register, pay with PostMates card, and fill up drinks. Don't include the receipt in the bag. Pay with your PostMates prepaid card. So it looks like I have to go inside to place the order. Alright, so that was super quick and easy. It's 7:01 and already have the food. I marked it as picked up. I uploaded my receipt and I'm just going to hit continue, and then I just swipe to complete, and then I'll get the address. Real easy. PostMates is super simple. The good thing is that it does, like, what you get paid is the minimum, and then they have the option to tip later on, so that's nice. Like my last, when I was out delivering last, it was either Friday or Saturday.
Make a U-turn.
I can't remember. But I just got my tip today on Monday, so it does come through. It just takes a little while, so that's kind of different than all the other apps. Alright, so it's 7:17 and I just dropped off that order a few minutes ago. It was super easy. I got paid like $5 and some change, which is not bad for PostMates. How quick it took, I'll take it. Hopefully I could get a tip too. It was a nice neighborhood, so fingers crossed that comes through tomorrow or the next day. The downside is I'm kind of out in the middle of nowhere. So I do have GrubHub on, I do have PostMates on, hoping to get an order soon, but I don't know if I will just because of the location I'm currently at. I am going to the gym. After I finish, I'm probably going to do one or two more orders, depending on time, and then I will go to the gym and update you on how to save money on gas and give you an earnings update for the day. Stay tuned. Okay guys, it's 7:50 and it slowed down. I did not get another order. So I'm over here at Planet Fitness about to go work out. So I only ended up doing those two orders with GrubHub. The first order, my earnings was $10.12. It's not too bad. $5.76 from GrubHub, $4.36 from tips. And then for PostMates, I ended up getting $5.34. It says $8.34 right there, but that's because I got a $3 tip from my order last week. So I got $5.34 for my Baskin-Robbins order. So not too bad. I mean, if you go from the time I started working today, I was only out for an hour and 20 minutes, and that's with about a half hour of waiting for another order, so not terrible. So the gas savings, it's called GetUpside. It's an app. I'm gonna try and link it down below. But basically what you do is you can search for your gas stations. They're not popping up, of course, right now. Oh, search this area. There we go. So all these gas stations pop up, right? And then you get your savings. So like $2.67. It was $2.79, so it's like 13 cents off. You claim your offer, and you have 4 hours to redeem it. Then you just take a picture of your receipt and upload it, and then you get money back. If you use my link, you will get a 15-cent bonus on your first purchase. So that's kind of nice, and then I'll get a 15-cent bonus as well when you use it for the first time. So we help each other out, so that's kind of cool. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.